Today, I'm leaving the city behind and heading into the heart of nature. A long journey awaits me. Ahead, there are mountains, forests, and breathtaking landscapes filled with peace. Leaving the city behind, I set off toward the call of the mountains. I am ready for a new adventure with every step. The air is fresh, and I refresh my spirit by immersing myself in nature. Now the roads are changing. Mountain trails and rugged paths are taking us deeper into the wild. We're moving forward as a group, discovering a new view at every turn. As I walk towards the peaks of the mountains, the light of the sun walks with me. Each ray makes the beauty of nature brighter. Walking in this light revives my spirit and increases the energy within me. Leaving the vehicle behind, we continue on foot. The sound of the river accompanies us. The air is fresh and the crunch of leaves under my feet adds a special charm to this journey. I stop for a moment on the road and enjoy the beautiful scenery. I get lost in the heights of the mountains and the depths of the forests. The presence of this moment is more precious than anything. As I move through the mountains, the height of the constellations, the colors of the flowers, and the depth of the forests come alive in my eyes. There is an unexpected beauty around every corner. After a long hike, tasting this icy river water is pure relief. Fresh, clean, and full of life. Drinking this water makes me feel stronger with every sip. After a long walk, I stop here to set up a small tent. The peace of this moment is beyond words. Listening to the sounds of nature fills me with incredible energy. One of the best moments of the journey, I'm making a fire. Cooking steak over small branches, the taste of food cooked in the mountain air is something no restaurant can match. The last steps. I can hear the waterfall in the distance. The flowing water seems to be guiding me. And finally, I'm here. This view makes everything worth it. Sharing this amazing experience with you was incredible. Spend more time in nature because true happiness is right here. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts.